Alright, what we're trying to do here is I'm trying to get my AC to work the last couple of days. I've been trying to charge it, but the clutch fan is not working right, so I end up buying a new pressure switch, which made it turn to a lot of heat. So now I'm going to try to give this thing a little boost and trip this out a little bit so the clutch fan actually takes some AC to charge it. So took a paper clip and this just plugged right back into that. So what I'm trying to do is trip that clutch so it takes in the charge that I have for it, but we'll see if this works because it ain't blowing any AC, it's blowing heat. So we're gonna see if that works. A nice little Hornet. Put the windows down. Just keep the doors open, but windows down should be fine. Turn our heat all the way on. Our AC. So now it's working. It would steady shut off before. It would turn on for about 3 seconds to want to shut off. Now it stays on. So trying this AC Pro. I'm going to pop that on there. We'll see if we'll take the charge now. Saying no pressure, which is better than what it said yesterday because it wasn't saying, it kept bouncing. That's weird. Doesn't want to give me a read. Let me try this. It's really weird because it says no pressure, but I checked my air vent. Now it's actually blowing cold. Yesterday it was blowing heat. So that's weird. Maybe it's taking it, maybe there's a leak, not sure. But it still says 0. Alright, now we're starting to show a little bit of pressure there. The line down there is getting nice and frosty. So, this pressure is low, squeeze trigger to fill. I've been doing that every 15 seconds, so it's showing 3 psi, so it's doing something now. We're doing better than we were yesterday. I actually have cold air coming out. got 8. We were at 3 or 4 earlier. We're doing better. Alright, just did another little round. Now we got 17, 18 PSI. So we're getting better. That fan's staying on. I thought I was gonna have to buy me a new compressor, but that sucks. But I'm glad it works now. That little wire stripped that out. It helped it a lot. Now we're getting freaking cold. Do it a couple more times. Just did it 2 more rounds of 15 seconds. We're right around 23, 24-ish, but we need to be between 26 and 50. So, doing a pretty good job. That line's nice and frosty. This can's nice and cold. It's doing something. I'm not a sponsor or anything, but I thought I'd try this can anyways. So, it's doing something in there. We're working now. So we did a couple more rounds. We're about 28, 29. We're gonna go just a little bit more, and it should be good. But I got nice ice cold right now. It works pretty good. Nice and cold. So we did it a couple more rounds. We're at 38 PSI, 37. It says if it's between 26 and 50, it should be fine. So, that worked. I went and got a new pressure switch yesterday, and thought that might have been the problem. And I'm like, well, all it did is blow heat after that. So, tripping that little switch out, put a paper clip in there, and it started taking AC. So we're doing awesome. But what was happening, the clutch fan kept stopping on me and it wouldn't take the charge. And this, on the gauge, just kept going like this. It kept reading back and forth. It didn't actually give me a steady number. So I was like, man, something's really messed up with that. So I thought it was a switch. I think it helped getting that because it actually made my heat work. So, but anyways, that's pretty much it. God bless and thanks for watching.